Hello, my name is Francisco Nwamba, and today I am with Honda South Africa as we embark on a mini road trip with top female influencers. And the aim of today is for the female influencers to learn essential safety elements about Honda products, as well as getting the chance to experience these awesome cars. So the hashtag for the day is Girls Rule the Road, and the only thing that's left now is for us to get going. So we have arrived at the ADA training facility where the ladies are going to learn about vehicle safety, vehicle maintenance, as well as doing a very fun gymkhana on the gravel.